I do not mean to do that. Why do you enjoy licking my hand so much? He is like literally holding on to my hands right now. Ow! Why are you biting me now?